pan. So in this video I'm going to do Toto. So I'm using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, so I'm going to change container. I'm using 2 teaspoons baking soda. You can use 2 teaspoons baking powder if you want. 1 teaspoon salt. About ½ cup of brown sugar. About a teaspoon of vanilla, and the vanilla is finished. And I am also adding cinnamon powder, about a teaspoon of mixed spice. And if you want, this is the mixed spice. If you want, you can also put about ½ teaspoon of nutmeg, but I do not want any nutmeg in my Toto. And I am also adding 2 cups of grated coconut. I'm going to give everything a good stir. So now I'm using coconut milk to mix the ingredients. Four tablespoons of melted margarine. And I use 1½ cups of coconut milk. So this is the consistency that I'm looking for. Not too runny and not too stiff. So I'm gonna bake the Toto in this container right here. And I am not sure if I mentioned before that I am preheating an oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I am gonna bake the toto for about 50 minutes or until the center. When a toothpick inserted in the center, it comes out clean. However, I am gonna set 50 minutes on the stove timer. So I grease the container and now I am just flouring it. So I'm gonna pour out the excess flour. So now the disposable baking tin is ready. So all I'm gonna do now is to pour the butter into the baking tin. And the stove is ready, so perfect. So now, as I mentioned before, I am gonna bake the toto into a preheated oven at 75 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes.